If your phone is running slowly, you're selling it, or you simply want a fresh start, a factory reset will erase everything and restore it to its original settings. Before you begin, back up your files and photos. Now to factory reset your Android 17 phone, follow these steps. Open Settings, scroll down and tap System, tap Reset Options, select Erase All Data, Factory Reset, review the accounts that will be erased, tap Erase All Data, enter your PIN, password or pattern if prompted. Finally, if you're happy to proceed, confirm by tapping Erase All Data again to begin the reset process. The reset will take a few minutes to complete and your phone will restart automatically. Once it reboots, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up as a new device or restore it from a backup. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.